Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Gemini like a pro, updated. Open your Gem in the browser or app and set a simple prompt template now to get predictable output. Start with role, tone, and desired length, then add one clear task. Save that template and test with a short example. Iterate quickly, noting which words change results, and build from small prompts to compound tasks. In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini like a pro, updated. Start by breaking complex tasks into numbered steps and give an example of the exact output you want. Use explicit constraints like word counts or formats to avoid ambiguity. Test variations and keep the best prompt as your template. This habit reduces errors, speeds up workflows, and helps Gemini stay consistent across iterations. In this video, I will review how to use Gemini like a pro, updated. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tightly and stack well, perfect for busy creators testing prompts between sessions. They save time and keep snacks intact while you work, and they pair nicely with coffee breaks during long prompt edits. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to use Gemini like a pro, updated. Try using memory to keep important context, and combine images with text for richer outputs when supported. Tweak temperature or creativity to favor precise answers or more inventive responses depending on the task. For technical work, lower creativity. For brainstorming, increase it. Keep a changelog of settings and prompts so you can reproduce great results quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.